Hey everyone, in this video today I'm going to show you how to swap out the filter in the engine on a Toyota Prius 2016 to 2020. I've decided to pick up the Fram Ultra Air 11426 filter for this job. First, open the driver's side door, find this lever over here, which opens the hood, and then pull on it. In the front of the car, we'll pull the hood up slightly, and there should be this latch. Just pull it upward, and the hood is free to move upward. Pull this hood support bar down, and place it into this hole over here. There are two clips on the air filter box. Just pull them outward, and then pull this air box to the right, and then up. We can now reach in there, pull this old filter out. At this point, we can see how dirty the old filter is, but at the same time, we can also check the dimensions of the new filter to make sure they match. With one hand, you want to lift this air filter box cover here, and then with the other hand, slide the filter in there. When reassembling this filter cover, we want to make sure we don't see this color orange. Now there's two clips just like this, one on this side, and there's one behind the filter box as well. They both have to line up so you can close the filter box as it should go in and not see any orange as well. And now we see no orange from the filter, so that's good. We have a good fit. Now we can come back and then clip these two clips into place. Filter change is done, but the last thing I do is take a piece of the cardboard, write on the back of it, just for proof. And that's all there is to it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.